everyone, today I'm gonna show you guys how to do the 2 braids in your hair. Super easy, super quick. Yeah, so let's jump into it. So now we're gonna start off. My hair is already wet, so yeah. Do I need more water? I just finished washing my hair, so just a little more, just in case. Anyways, yep. So what we gonna need is this brush it to make it nice and smooth. Brush the back. Need a comb. Let's comb it out first. Okay. Now it depends on where you want your part. I'm gonna put my hair. Where did my part go? Part it. Ain't nobody. You keep parting it. Listen, I don't be parting my hair good, so however my part comes out, that's how it comes out. You feel me? Yep. Probably didn't come out good, but who cares, right? Who cares? Anyways, I'm gonna tie this one up, and let's just comb this one out just a tits, just a little bit. Sweat it a little more. Anyways, so I'm gonna just use some of my Cantu curly cream. I'll just use a little. Anyways, yes sir. Then I'm gonna brush it up a little bit, because one, you don't want it to be all like heavy flyaways all over. See me, I say yes, yes sir. And I'm gonna put like the Eco Gel, just a tidbit, just a little bit. Put some this way. Just to get it right. Go back there. Now let's brush it just a bit more. And normally when I do this style, I normally have the little gold little clip thingies, but I ran out, so I'm not gonna use it today. But anyways, now let's start braiding. You get one part right here, two, and the three in the middle. And I'm not the best braider, so Excuse my braid. Start braiding. You want it to be nice and smooth, okay? So every time I braid, I would brush, braid, you know. Ow. Braid, 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 braid. Pick up my brush. Continue to braid. Continue. Super easy. Yes, sir. Braid. At a certain end, I like to stop, like right here. Get my comb it up just in case there's any knots. Yep, comb it away. Continue braiding all the way down. If you gotta borrow from the other side, you do so. Like all the way down, 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 down. I like braiding it all the way. Yes. So your hands can't go no more. My hands are still going. And there we go. See, it's nice and slick. Anything, yes, you can easily just brush it back like so. Now let's get this other side. Now I don't remember if I put, ow, I got it in my eyes. Anyways, I don't remember if I put on this side. Oh well, just put some anyways. Brush it, brush it, brush it. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Then I'll comb it. Ooh, comb it out comb it out a little. Brush it. Put some of the gel all over, all over, all over. Yes, sir. Brush it a little. Now let's start braiding. If you get a knot, don't worry about it. Just comb it, comb it out, just like so. Okay. I think this side is being stubborn today, but we'll get it. It's being really wet. Really wet. I said really wet. Anyways, this side is being very, very silly. Very silly. Okay, let's break it up like that. Yes, sir. Ow. One in my hair, one in my eye. Eventually you're gonna get it, right? Anyways, one is easy. Comb it out like that and braid it all the way down. All the way down, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. I tell you, if you had the gold clips, it would look so much. I mean, this is really cute and really easy, but if you had the two clips, it would have been super, super cute. Anyways, this is the two. Look, the curl this first. Wrong way, wrong way. Ray, running. Let's do my baby hair real quick. Real quick. Go on this side now. There we go. What do you guys think? Okay, let me take a thumbnail. Hey guys, so this is the finishing look. It's really cute, don't you like? Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Yes, why wouldn't you want to subscribe? And let me know what other video y'all want me to do, and I'll do it. And you could get more pretty, pretty, pretty looks. And with this look, I normally have the gold little clips thing to put on it, but I ran out, so don't worry, it's still cute. But let me know what other video y'all want me to do, and I'll do it. Toodles.